Hey guys, good morning. It is Sonia and I am at the Crafters Convention getting my morning coffee. Oh, low power mode. Man, who else hates it when they travel and like you just can't find your charger? Like, what is up with that? So I'll show you real quick. I am here this is Collinsville, Illinois on the border of Missouri, and I am here as a featured a sponsor, but also a feature like instructor and speaker. And this is my job today. I want to show. It's early in the morning, so everybody's outside those doors just waiting to get in. Right there, a big old line of them. The vendors are all setting up in the back here. Oh, my coffee is like totally blocking the view. You see that all back there? Oh, such good stuff. And then this is actually us up here in this corner. Good morning. In this corner. And you see here up on stage, everybody's getting ready. There's Damon. Hey Damon, how are you this morning?
I'm good. How are you?
Ready to rock and roll. There's Regina up there of the Provo. Terry, hello, good morning. Who else is back there? Parker. Me and Parker matched today. Yeah, it was like a coordinated effort. So this is, you see right behind Regina here, this is my job this morning, okay? So I'm working with these awesome wreath designers, and my job is to whitewash that brick right there and to make that mantle look gorgeous, because I need to take the before photo right here. This is just like basically the pretend brick that you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot, and you get it for like, what, $10, $12 a sheet. And so I'm gonna show the audience today how you can make it look gorgeous, distressed farmhouse, and really how to be able to whitewash it. Even if it's fake brick, you can still do it. Doesn't matter. Junk Monkey is amazing like that, right? And because of the way it dries and how easy it is to use, you can just do some amazing effects. And so right here, this is actually, I think, Scott Waterman, who is the organizer of the event. Scott, and who on here knows Scott, by the way? I saw him earlier. He's running around like a chicken with his head cut off with all the things. But I'm going to paint this here gray and do some antiquing. You know, guys, how I teach you guys how to do the black soot into the wax and then make things look a little bit more glam than what it really is, and do our lovely, what we have coined at the Junk Monkey, the eyeliner effect, to really make it pop, right? And then once basically the background's all set, then we will have these beautiful wreath designers come in and be able to jazz it all up. So I can't wait to see what they do. I mean, look, Brownie ain't so, glam right now, right? So anyway, this is what's going down. Good morning.
Good morning.
All kinds of fun stuff here. Everybody's just waiting to get unleashed inside. And there's the coffee against the wall over there. But look at all this stuff. Look at all the ribbon back there. All the wreath people are like, oh, gimme, gimme, gimme. Just hordes and hordes of ribbon. Did you see that back against the, 6 a.m. in California. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh, this is really cute here. I like that. Look at that. All right, I like that. What else we got on over here? Always like a good arrow as well. That's some homemade stuff. There's the wreaths down here. Guys, can I show you like this really cute wreath? So I met Lori, who's also a fellow Canadian of Unique in the Creek, and I was telling her last night, she's here, of course, with all of her templates. Hey, good morning, Lori. Last time I saw Lori, she was doing the electric slide or some sort of dance on the floor. I see you recovered well. Well, how are you this morning?
Good.
So we had the welcome party last night. Guys, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I am all about painting your door with some good Junk Monkey and then adding a gorgeous wreath to make it pop, right? Like,
sure is.
Stunning. So, Lori, you actually, like, this is what I was amazed to hear from you when I talked to you yesterday, that all these are tutorials that you've done on your page,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So right now, isn't it amazing that we live in a time with all these creatives that just share all their goodness, their tips, so you can learn to make one of these and then paint your door. But I got to tell you, this right here is my favorite. I told her, I'm like, I love this one. Hey, good morning.
Are you on Facebook Live?
Yes, say good morning. Let's say
Battle
good
of the
morning.
Facebook Lives.
Claire Nicole.
Hi,
Hey.
how are you doing? Oh my gosh.
This is my favorite one. Which one's yours? I love this guy.
I like
right here.
because that totally goes with like my
It's
house.
like rose gold, right?
Yes, that's the color of my. These are
Matt's
so
like, oh,
cute.
look at the clown. I'm like, no.
Oh, and his
no,
eyes
no.
light up blue when
Really?
in the
Don't
dark.
tell Matt
Yeah.
that. Listen. Don't be surprised, people, if we leave some ugly clown thing, okay? Not that our work is ugly, but clowns are a little bit freaky, all right? They're a little bit freaky. But look on the back side as well. You guys see when you like here? Look at that. 1 out of 105 purple people eater right there. This one is kind of like my favorite right here. I love burlap and natural and distressed and just earthy. And so I think I would pick like, this is like a mesh, but it looks in burlap style. Like, I love these too. But that right there is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, you know? Oh, there's more food over here. You see that right there? I found like there's hazelnut, there's pumpkin spice. I went with regular this morning, but I might have to go back for a second cup of coffee. Guys, I'm the first person up this I'm the first person up this morning to speak. So I'm like, I better get my coffee and get woke up because I'm a night owl. Like, I was watching the Shane Dawson last 2-hour series finale on YouTube last night at midnight, which is 1 o'clock my time, while Matt was asleep last night. Anybody else watching that whole thing go down? Hey, Caitlin. I stayed up way too late last night, Caitlin. Now I gotta wake myself up. Yes. Yep. This is true, Anna. Matt complains about the Blair Witch Project wreath, so to speak, but yet he's all about, oh, look at that cool clown over there. Matt, this is true. This is true. I was saying to them that you really like that wreath over there with the clown on it, right? That you like the wreath with the clown onto it. Oh, he's saying good morning. What do you got down there? What's that?
It's muffin.
What's your shirt say?
But
What's your shirt say?
bananas.
Oh my God.
But
All right.
it's muffin and it goes
Really? Just drink some coffee. Wash it down.
Oh, no coffee.
Drink some tea. Anyway, yeah, so Anna made a good point. She's like, wait, Matt says, oh, look at that, a clown wreath, but yet he's like dissing my Blair Witch twig project. All those things.
Pointed it out.
Yeah.
Generally,
What? Oh, this is my new friend Heidi over here. Like, seriously, come all this way and find another. Oh, there's the Heidi right there. Good morning. How cute is she?
Hey, where you going?
Heidi Kavazi.
Heidi Kavazi. I know, but she does. She takes all this beautiful. She takes beautiful books, and she, you know, they're not destroyed or anything. They're just all folded to be able to create really cool designs. I love this one right here. Love that. So simple, right? So cute. So cute. I love it. She got pumpkin ones. Look at this, guys. So cool. So cool. I love it. But anyway, I had to come all this way to meet up with Heidi and to find out that she's in my neck of the woods, right? That's okay. That's a good thing. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. We got a gal here. Do you paint these yourself?
For myself, yes.
I love them.
I hand cut and paint.
Look at this. Oh, some buffalo check. Hello. Yes. I love me some buffalo check.
Yes.
I like cute whimsical. This is cute too. Little marshmallows in a cup.
Look at that.
Love it. Which ones do you like? Oh my God, little piggy.
Yes.
They look happy, but they don't realize.
They're gonna go to her.
Yeah. Look at that poor snowman.
It's like, yeah, look, check me out.
I'm just in a big old small bath right there. Just hanging out. Life is good, at least right now.
I just realized who Heidi reminds me of.
So Emily's
She
weeks
reminds me
in
of Louise
store.
from Bob's Burgers.
Really?
Yes.
I have to think about that. I had to have to look it up.
The bunny ears, Louise?
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, too funny. Oh, and this over here. I told this lady yesterday that I will be back today. Good morning. How are ya? Look, she is here with Scentsy and has all these beautiful things. It smells so good right now. Like fall is happening right here. I'm telling you, like, you know, I'm thinking, you know, Thanksgiving dinner is happening right here. All the good feels of the season is happening right here. Because if you could smell this stuff, I kid you not, it smells like everything pumpkin spice and cinnamon this morning. Like the best cup of coffee that you've ever had that smells so good with flavoring. Yeah, clovers and look, coconut pumpkin pies and sugar cookies and all these things. So I do like a, everybody else, I do like a nice smelling house. So yeah, I should show you as well Junk Monkey, huh? Should I? Up here, this is Junk Monkey. So that's the stage I showed you on that I'll be on a little bit earlier. They're gonna mic us up. And they were like, what kind of, you know, we got a DJ over here setting up as well. And she controls all the music. And you gotta have music for a party, right? But look at this right here. You see this, guys? Who watched this when I made this the other night and stayed up way too late and made this this chippy sign with our milk paints just for fun, right? Hey, good morning, ladies. So look, all of our glaze samples. Took anything that I could like throw in the car that didn't mean that I was like taking anything that weighed like 1,000 pounds, because this all adds up, right? All these little bits of paint. So we got lots of paint here this morning. Got my samples here. I'm gonna do this for a giveaway that don't make me flip my witch switch. I sold a version of this past weekend at Fort Ligonier Days, and so this version here I'm gonna sell today. Give away today. And I figured I'd give away some Chevy pumpkins. We made those as well online, to go watch the tutorials for those if you missed it. We got lots of our milk paint and goodness. And then, of course, all of our colors. So we have 45 colors in total at the Junk Monkey. 25 of them chalky, 20 of them milk paint. Just kind of like out chatting with people today who want to pick my brain and get ideas, that sort of thing. We got all that good stuff, a little bit. And what's really cool is, by the way, those of you who always ask, what do you clean your brushes with? This is what I use right here. It's called Big Fat Lie and Little White Lie. And they're really nice for cleaning, but also conditioning and keeping your brushes in great shape. So, oh my gosh, is that Sweet Dreams coming on now?
Yeah.
I tell you. Oh, look at the screen up here. Look.
Yeah,
You see
it's
the screen
Corey
up here?
Hart, Sonia. It's Canada's
sunglasses.
greatest. It's Canada's artist.
I love Corey Hart.
I know. Oh, there you go. See?
Yes. Yes. Don't be dissing the Canadian
I'm
music
sorry,
now.
you didn't watch that episode of South Park.
Really? Funny. I got 10% on my phone. Life is not good right now. I need to find a charger. I need to go make a friend of somebody who has a phone charger that will lend me their phone charger for an iPhone. Anybody know anybody? So yeah. So I think these are all on silent auction today. These are all wreaths that are going up and everybody's gonna be able to bid on. And we got 2 big screens. Over here is the big camera. Do you see that big camera standing over there on this platform? This is gonna be broadcasting live to homes for everybody who purchased all the, everybody purchased the online viewing tickets so they could stay from home and watch it. And then, yeah, so like 300 attendees. It's gonna be good. Hey Ashley, how are you? To a lot of us, heck yeah. Hey Karen, good morning. Okay, Claire's over there dancing. Do you see her over there dancing? She's already waking up. Listen, people, I just want to drink my coffee. Can I just drink my coffee and be alone? I gotta be on stage with Claire Nicole. She's crafty too. Too funny. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop off of here. What's that?
I'm gonna eat breakfast.
You go get breakfast. Yes, you better, before everybody else does. All right, I guess I should go get set up before this room fills up. I'll check back, but I gotta go and take a picture of that beautiful mantle fake fireplace. Hey, Scott, good morning. Scott has all the time to say good morning.
Hey, good morning, all y'all.
Yay!
Hey, good morning, good morning.
The hostess with the mostest. All right, what a fun group of people, guys. The internet is a beautiful thing to be able to bring everybody together and be able to work together and collaborate. It's so awesome, and to be able to hang out with everybody. And it's people that you generally talk to online and follow, and they're, you know, they do their own thing in their own world. And even though I'm a painter, I get to hang out with all these kind of fabulous designers, right? So that's my job right there, to make it beautiful. So when the designers come in, they go, bam! And let me just tell you, if I could show you, they have the most gorgeous woodsy Christmas setup for this piece, okay? So picture this, vintage white, whitewashed Junk Monkey paint, gray mouse in the house, black antiqued, black eyeliner effect. And then they have everything from like striped ribbon and big, beautiful, like champagne, sparkly decor, and candlesticks to go on there, and a big clock that goes on there. I mean, it's gonna be
Why is there a crock pot?
absolutely amazing. Because, babe, that's a skillet up there. That's what you do. Listen, Linda. You're gonna be like, you know, exposed to the wreath world. That's what they do. You put your glue in there, and then when you're putting together a wreath, your glue stays hot.
What a
Yes.
what a terrible waste of a skillet.
What? Yes, the chef in you is like too funny. All right, so I am going to I'm gonna go get ready. I gotta go and like find a charger. We need a charger. These are the issues that we have, right? These are the issues that we have. All right, I will see you guys a little bit later. I'll come on. By the way, I'm vlogging my entire trip, so there'll be lots of behind the scenes, all right? And chats with the crew as well. All right, you get, listen, Linda's right. All right, you guys take care. I will talk to you again soon. Bye.